What's up mga papi? Sooner or later, our health will be our priority, whether by choice or by consequence. Marami sa atin nagwo-workout kasi gustong sumexy, or maybe to look good in the mirror para magka-jowa. Alam mo na, December na naman. Pero sa totoo lang, it's way more than that. It's about being able to do the things that you love when you hit 70 or maybe even 80s. It's about being able to climb a flight of stairs or just go for a walk nang hindi ka nanghihingi ng tulong sa apo mo or kung kanina man. It's about the ability of maybe even enjoy the second half of your life more than the first half. Sa ayaw at sa gusto natin, eventually, our body will become our priority. Don't wait until it becomes a consequence of age and illness. Make it your choice. Kumayos ka na, Paps. Ngayon pa lang. Yun lang. Happy Saturday. Run, run, run! Bridgetown!